What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Steve here. I just want to say I just got a package from Osaka. Here he is. And yes, and then, yeah. So I just need to looking at it. I just need to open up. And yes, let's see if I can just. Okay, let's see if I can just open I hope it works with this. Let's see. Oh, it's unpacking. Let's see what's inside with the unpacking. Yeah? Look, it gives me this. What's it use this? Awesome! Wow! It's flag timer. Isn't it awesome? Let's see what's inside. Oh, the big one. It's been let's see. First. I can't open it. I'm really sorry. I just. Come on. I push it. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Awesome, look! It's Shoboku. So yeah, that's Shoboku and flag tail, right? And yes, that's all I have. That's all I have I collect. So really cool. So I'm gonna be looking at it. So yeah, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want me to see me with the unboxing video from unboxing video, if you want to see me with the unboxing videos, and if you like to see the receipt packaging from receipt packages from Osaka, we'll see you guys next time. Okay, guys, see you later, and bye.